Hey folks, welcome back to another video. I want to share the settings that I've used on my trip and just various settings that I will use when filming in the future. So the first setting here is 4K 60 with a shutter speed of 1/60th of a second. All this is manual, of course, and if you set manual, then make sure that you use an ND filter that you don't overexpose, because 1/60th is pretty slow, so it's gonna absorb more light. I probably should have used an ND16 here, to be honest, because I think I blew out the sky, but this is at the moment the best I could do at 5 a.m. in the morning. But at this shutter speed, you're gonna get nice motion blur, or at least what I think is nice, and it looks really good on the water because it makes it look silky and creamy, and I really like that in these kind of shots. And also, I'm moving kind of slow as well. If you were to move faster and you want to preserve that clarity, then in the next shots here, you could see I will boost it up here to 1/120th of a second. And with this faster shutter speed, you're gonna get less motion blur and a lot more detail as you're moving. Coming up, I will be orbiting that pine tree, and you'll see that a lot of the detail for the pine tree is preserved, and I think for freestyle and acrobatic like type footage, it's really neat because it feels more like a video game because everything's in detail, you know, when you turn off motion blur. And as you can see, everything else around it as well as I'm circling is in detail. Doesn't look, I guess, quote unquote cinematic, but it looks really nice in the picture, and I mean, everything's subjective, but oh, also, if you'll notice some of the water shots here too, they just have a lot, they capture more of the reflections because there's less blur, there's more clarity in the water. I guess I should also note that I film in D-Log, so I will color after the fact, hence probably why there's even more details I can recover. I also have included other frame rates, more of the traditional cinematic ones like the 20, well, we only have 25 frames a second, but 24 is what I'm trying to aim for. You can check out those links below. I'll leave them in the video or description. Then my other video is filmed in 30 at 4K 60, so you can check that out as well if you just want to see what that looks like. All right, thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.